What's your address?
That's all you're entitled to.
Crystal, you still live on
All my information's on that ID.
Do you still live there?
All my information is on that ID.
We don't answer any other questions.
How's it going, folks? Welcome back to the Joaquin News Network. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today I'm highlighting a particular video brought by the way of this channel here. This one goes by the name of Michelle's Mobile Media. In this video, they are pulled over by the California Highway Patrol for not wearing her seatbelt properly. California seatbelt law states that anyone 16 or older must be wearing a seatbelt when the vehicle is operating. Children under the age of 8 or under the height of 4 feet and 5 inches must be in a booster seat. Michelle's Mobile Media states that she has a doctor's note from the judge that allows her to wear the belt under her shoulder over her chest. Whether I believe a seatbelt should be worn in a vehicle or not is beside the point. I don't think it should be the government's choice, especially fined over it. I think it is another easy way they found to extort money from the people, because it definitely isn't about our safety. Let's go ahead and check this out. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
That these ticket book in their car.
Oh, you got a 50.
Yeah.
So I'm up for a we didn't have her seatbelt on correctly. You can't see if she has it on or off. Have what? You have your seatbelt on?
It's on. Oh.
Does she have an ID?
No.
No.
Can you roll the window down and then you see driver license, registration, ID, for you too, and insurance, please. It's incorrectly worn. It's got to be over your shoulder.
Not quite.
Someplace in here is what they're doing.
I thought it said click it or ticket.
You have your insurance for the vehicle, sir?
You can, but I mean, you do have your seatbelt on. I won't be giving you anything. I have a doctor's note. I won't be giving you anything.
Go ahead, provide me the document.
I don't think so. Where's your office at?
My office?
Yeah.
1 Killingsworth Drive, Felicity, California.
And what's it called?
1 Killingsworth Drive, Felicity, California.
Calexi?
Felicity.
Felicity. Okay.
Population 2.
Population 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
California, you got to wear the seatbelt over your shoulder as designed.
Yeah. I have a doctor's note though
Can you provide me with
from the
document?
judge. Maybe. Go ahead and keep that on
Make
there.
sure that's the new
Go ahead and keep
card.
that on
Thank you,
there.
sir. Thank you. And ma'am, I need to see your ID as well. Thank you.
I believe this entire traffic stop is a Fourth Amendment violation, folks. Although this is considered a lawful traffic stop, it is a victimless crime. In my opinion, a seatbelt law is probably one of the most silliest laws a cop can enforce, but that's what they do when they have nothing better to do with their time, when they're too scared to go out and catch real crime on the streets, when they want to extort money for the state, because that's what it's really all about. Legally, cops are not responsible for your safety, but then they want to enforce laws as if they are, and also, they will want to turn their back when their partners do the same thing. Let's keep watching.
Yes, sir. It's good.
Maybe. Let's see here. Good luck. I think it's in the other.
I think it's in the file.
And what's your names?
I'm Officer Hillficker,
Hillficker?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what's your badge number?
20054.
Officer Morquecho, ID 23748.
Morquecho?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I think it was in the file with the house.
Yeah, I think it's in the other purse, actually. Because remember, I just changed purses.
Mm-hmm.
Who's your name, ma'am?
Michelle,
Michelle. Can you spell that for me?
Michelle.
What's your address?
That's all you're entitled to.
If you do choose to give your identity to the cops on a traffic stop like this, all the lost dates you are required to give is your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance. But that's only if you are pulled over on a lawful traffic stop. Many times, cops will ask for stuff that are completely unrelated to what they need from you, such as your address, your phone number, and sometimes even your social security number, a bunch of personal information that they do not need from you. The 4th and 5th Amendment to the United States Constitution protects your right from giving up this kind of information.
Crystal, you still live on
All my information's on that ID.
you still live there?
All my information is on that ID.
We don't answer any other questions.
Yeah. All right, we'll be right back.
Where is it? That piece of paper is in the other truck. Or in the other purse. Should. No, that's good enough.
Okay. Thanks, ma'am. All right. So today, both of you guys I can take it, sign it together, bottom side, red bottom. It's not a mission of guilt. By you signing, it's not saying guilty. It's simply saying that you have to do better at it.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, yes, ma'am. Here's the phone.
This one's mine?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you can inside the red box.
Inside the box that was signed?
Yeah, that was not signed. I made an error on my end, so I scratched it off. How's your training going? Oh, it's going well, sir. Thank you for asking.
Hey, don't be a tyrant though, okay? It looked like it said it should go over the shoulder. Must go over the chest. But it should go over the shoulder, correct? Should. That's alright, because I got that letter. I don't answer questions, really. Who's the officer standing back there? Gutierrez? He's a good driver. It's all in the wording. That's why it's. Yeah. Man, you've been sitting there this whole time with that seatbelt on?
Alright folks, and with that, I want you all to let me know what you think about this one in the comment section down below. Would you or would you not have given up your rides over a victimless crime? If so, what would you have done? One thing I can say is, what a total waste of resources over such an unnecessary traffic stop. Cops have seemed to master the art of hassling the people over petty stuff like this because, like I said folks, this is all what most of them are only capable of. There's a very low percentage of cops out there who actually take the time to learn what our rights are and what they protect. As always folks, the original video and channel links will be down below in the description as well as in the comments. If you enjoyed this one, I want you all to hit the like and subscribe as well as the bell notifications down below for future videos. The First Amendment to the United States Constitution protects your rights to freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and the freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. But no matter where you are in the world folks, if you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. And with that, I'd like to thank you all once again for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.